Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you another simple recipe of mine called bacon and cabbage stir fry. So first of all, I have this 800 grams of cabbage. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, so now I'm gonna cut this. So look at this, guys. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna soak this one with water. Yeah, we clean this one thoroughly. So guys, I have these bacon strips. Yeah, and I have 4 strips of this. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut this one into small pieces. Yeah, not too small. It's just like this size. Yeah. Put this one aside, and now I have this garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, we just chop this one coarsely. Yeah, look at this. Yeah? Put aside, and let's start cooking. So first of all, I'm gonna fry my bacon first. Yeah. Okay, so now you can see this one, guys. The color is golden brown color. Now we're gonna take this one out. Now we're gonna saute our garlic. This dish, guys, is very simple, but I tell you, it's really delicious. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put in my cabbage. I'm gonna add in some 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and dash of pepper. We're gonna fry this. Now we cover this for 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah. Cover again for the second round, guys, just for 30 seconds. Yeah. Now we put back the bacon. So guys, this is ready. Now we're gonna off the flame and dish this one out. Yeah. So guys, this is my cabbage and bacon stir fry, and look at that, guys. Look at that, it's so pretty. Yeah, and I tell you, this recipe is really worth trying. It's very simple and it's very affordable to make, and I tell you, it's very delicious. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video, and Don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys!